Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of the Crypto Forecast. Today we're going to be having a quick look at Bitcoin BTC USD and Ripple versus USD. I have here the daily candles for Bitcoin versus dollar from Bitstamp as usual. We had a big drop here at resistance as it was expected, and then we corrected and we fall right down to this diagonal resistance line, which would be like a new uptrend here, joining this last low and the next low and extended, and that's your trend line there. However, this is obviously too vertical to be sustainable, so I don't know if it's going to hold. The good thing about it is that we also are at support from this downtrend, resistance line. It used to be resistance, now it might be support. We are right at the line. We could be falling lower back inside this triangle, and if this is the case, then I would expect to go to the support line of this triangle, which is what I would be anticipating for the coming weeks, to be honest. I see a lot of excitement, especially in my groups on Telegram. People are constantly asking me, hey, is it time to buy yet? We had this drop, we sold here at the top, can we enter again long? Guys, relax, because things are moving very, very slow, and now it's time to just let it do its own thing. We don't know if this is forming a continuation pattern, which will break in the downside. I honestly don't think it's going to recover that quick. Really, I don't see enough panic in the market for to make me want to buy. Yes, we had a big drop here. Yes, people are negative in general, but there's no panic in the market to make me want to buy or anything yet. When there's panic in the market, it's usually the best time to buy, and when there's panic in the market, you just know it. If you are unsure if this is enough panic for you to be buying, if you are not sure, it probably means it's not enough panic in the market, because when there's panic in the market, you just know it. And this happens even in bull markets. I mean, when we were full bull here, every time we had these mega crashes here, or even this one here, or this one here, you just know, oh, this one here. If you guys have lived through this, you know what I'm talking about. When there's panic in the market, you just know it. There's real panic in the market, and that's the best time to buy. And it happens the same in bear market. So here we had panic in the market. This was a 50% drop. So as of right now, I don't think there's enough panic in the market to make me want to buy, or even pay attention to it. I think it's more likely we continue to do nothing here, and maybe we will see panic in the market by mid 2019 here, when we actually touch this diagonal resistance. I mean, I don't know the exact date, guys, but when there's panic in the market and the buying opportunity shows up, you will know. You just know. Now there's no panic in the market. Now I see negativism. A lot of people very negative, which makes me want to accumulate slowly, not trade, not buy big and expecting to make quick money here. The current sentiment in the market, as I read it, is negative. We could actually, potentially be at bottom, consolidation, accumulation. That's how I read the market sentiment right now. So long as I see the sentiment negative and bearish, I will be, accumulating here and there, but not buying big for short-term trading. When I can see real panic in the market, then I'm gonna be buying big, and I will be updating on this channel, but it's not the case. Moving on to Ripple. And Ripple, guys, I'm only gonna do this big time frame here, the weekly candles, because we have been monitoring this giant triangle here, and we are at the very end of the triangle. Usually triangles don't get to the ends, to break. So at this stage, guys, at this point, I think what's more likely to happen is that the price is going to ignore this diagonal resistance line, and it's just going to continue to follow this support line. This support line is a very, very old support line. It was formed here, it was broken in the upsides in May 2017, and since then it's held through the bull market and through the bear market, and it actually comes from the very peak here of the bubble in 2014. So it's a very, very significant line. I have said this, if it breaks, get ready, because if it breaks, this line is so significant that if it breaks, it'll go very low, I think. But for now, as I see it right now, I think the price is just going to continue to follow this line and, you know, maybe eventually start going up. Something like what it happened here, you know, it's just following the line. And you see, every time the price touches the line, it was the best buying opportunity. Even here, even here, even here. Anytime the price touches this line, it's always been the best buying opportunity. So I think it could be following the line here for some time, and then when things start to go bullish in crypto in general, this could start shooting up. However, if it breaks down, then, you know, get ready, because it'll probably drop quite a bit. Of course, we have the 200-week moving average below, which is this purple line here, so it'll act as a support for sure. But if eventually, if this 200-week breaks, then I would expect a big drop, and there's no significant support until all the way down to 8 cents here. So, but for now, guys, I think Ripple is just gonna continue to follow this uptrend line. Nothing really interesting going on. That was my update for Ripple. I wanted to cover Ripple because it's been added to Coinbase recently, so I wanted to give my thoughts here and a quick update. That's all for the video of today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.